today I am Amara's best friend's cupcake.
And today we will be opening up a fidget pack.
But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, which is hit that bell.
Wait, you guys are not subscribing? Cupcake, they're not subscribing.
Amara, leave the room. They cannot do that. Amara, just leave. I'm going to leave the room.
Just kidding, guys. We would never leave you.
Just kidding, guys. I am here too. I couldn't ever leave you guys.
Yeah.
Just like Amara can't. She loves you guys.
Did we tell them? Oh, yeah. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, which is hit the bell, and give us a huge thumbs up.
Amara, I think I already said that.
Oh, yeah. All right, let's get started.
Okay, today we're going to be opening our fidget packs. So I have a common, a rare, a ultra rare, a legendary, and a epic.
I have a common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, legendary, and epic.
Guys, your cupcake loves fidget surprise.
All right, let's just get started.
Okay.
Wait, I don't feel comfortable. Because
Why not?
the uncommon feels weird.
Yeah, I think it does.
Yeah, let me go get a bowl. Okay, guys, I am back with the bowl. So, let's open the common.
Okay, where is the common I pulled out? Okay, I'm gonna pull out my common and cut it open.
Spike balls, guys! Oh my gosh!
Wait, let's see what I got. Guys, I got spike balls just as well. So, me and Amara are twinning Cupcake and Amara.
I don't feel like the uncommon. It feels squishy, but here we go.
Okay, I'm gonna do my next one. I have let's see, a rare. Let's open it.
Guys, I feel like something's gonna pop out.
What is it?
I don't know.
Guys, I got a fidget in my rare.
A fidget spinner?
Yeah.
Nice. I'm still opening this, so let me go get scissors.
And guys, I want to say Happy Easter.
Okay, I got scissors. The reason why I was saying no, because I didn't want my dog to come in and eat it, because you never know, it can be something bad that they can't eat. And especially the Takis. So
yes, especially that is bad.
What is it? Guys, what the heck? That's so weird. It's Orbeez.
What?
And it's squishy.
Did it pop on you?
Huh?
Did it pop all over you?
No, guys, this is how much I got. Look how much I got. That's how much I got. But I'm just gonna set this off. But now let's open my rare.
I'll let you do one because I only have a very little, so we gotta stay together. So I'll let you open that by yourself.
I got a paper squishy that says love.
Oh my gosh, guys! Okay, guys, and Amara, I'm gonna open my ultra rare.
Same.
Okay, let's see what I got.
Let's see what I got.
I got a pea popper and a marble mesh, guys.
Yeah.
And I'm just fidgeting with these. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open up the next one, and I think, oh yes, guys, it's a legendary.
What's the legendary? Ooh, let's see.
I'm gonna see.
Get from the bottom.
Oh my goch, guys, it's a stress ball.
Flag disc. That's funny. Okay, here's the epic. Oh, it's squishy again.
Right. Amara, did you cut your
I don't trust
legendary?
I don't trust the epic.
I'm gonna open my epic. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so nervous.
Look, I got.
Oh my gosh, guys, guess what I got? I got a rainbow paper squishy.
I got a squishy, popcorn squishy, and a water timer.
Oh my gosh, Amara, you are so lucky. Your cupcake is jealous.
And guys, I got this from Easter. It smells just like watermelon. I'm gonna write on this.
This is so squishy. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, but yeah. Hold on, guys. My mom's calling me. My mom's calling me. Wait.
Okay.
Wait, there's something in here. Hold on, Mom. Hold up. Okay, guys, so we just got back. My mom didn't need me, but nothing's inside here because I looked. Nothing's in here, but something says on the back. It says, let me take it off. It says, please subscribe. That's right, guys. You please subscribe. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. All right, bye, guys. Wait, do you really think we would do that? Me and Cupcake? We're here to play with it.
But first, guys, when I'm gonna go through and say what I got, out of the fidget surprise. So for my first one, my comment was, what are they called?
Spike balls?
Yeah. And then for my rare, I'm pretty sure I got a fidget spinner. For my ultra rare, I'm pretty sure I got a marble mesh and a pea popper. And for legendary, I'm pretty sure I know I got a stress ball. And for my epic, I got a rainbow paper squishy. Amara, what did you get?
For epic, I got a squishy, a water timer, common, of these 2 spike balls, but I don't know where the other one is. I'm playing with my putty right now instead of the fidgets. And my legendary was this bazooka. And this rare, or ultra rare, I think, was the paper squishy. And this was legendary. Oh no, this was ultra rare and this was rare. And the disc was the legendary. And yeah. And I'm playing with my putty right now that I got from Mr. Bunny. But yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you guys, whoever brought this to us.
Guys,
Yeah, and guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. Not tomorrow though, but like after school, because yeah.